So, hi everyone, I am Rosny from Macasendel. On behalf of the Group 2, let me present to you the result of this survey that we've conducted regarding the curriculum. So, in this presentation, I am going to share with you three things. First is our respondents, followed by the survey result, and then lastly, the ranking. So for the respondents, the first school that we chose is the Sultan Guru Memorial National High School. So we have 12 respondents from this school. And then the second school that we chose is the Philippine Integrated School Foundation, or the PIS. So we have 6 respondents from this school. And then we have here the Marawi City National High School. We have 13 teachers who willfully answered our survey question. So overall, we have a total of 31 respondents from the 3 schools. So here is the survey result. So for this statement number 1, which is I mastered the subject matter that I must teach, 29 out of 31 respondents answered yes, which means that majority of our respondents master the subject matter that they are teaching. And then for the statement number 2, which is I implement what I have planned in my teaching, or for my teaching, 31 out of 31 respondents answered yes, which means all our respondents implement what they have planned inside the classroom or for their teaching. And then for the third statement, I monitor and assess if my students are learning. All the 31 respondents answered yes, which means that all our respondents monitor and assess if their students are learning. And then the fourth statement, I modify my activity to suit my learners in my classroom. So 31, also, all the 31 respondents answered yes, which means that they modify the activity to suit the learners inside the classroom, or they modify the activity based on the learner's need. And then for the fifth statement, I lead the implementation of new curriculum. All the 31 respondents answered yes, which means that all of our respondents is the one who lead the implementation of new curriculum. And then for the sixth question, I write instructional materials based on recommended school curriculum. The 29 out of 31 respondents answered yes, which means that majority of them write instructional materials based on the recommended school curriculum. And then for the last statement, which is I look for other ways of doing to improve teaching and learning in my classroom, all the 31 respondents answered yes, which means that all of them are looking for other ways to improve the teaching and learning process. So that is the result of the survey. So after our respondents answered whether they agree or disagree with the seventh statement, we also asked them to rank the seventh statement based on what is the most important for them. And here is the tally of their responses from the respondents 1 up to respondents number 31, and you can see how they rank the seventh question. So after analyzing that, here is the final result. So we've decided to get the mood or the most repeated responses of the respondents. So for the question number 1, the mood here is 1 because 15 respondents answered 1. For the question number 2, the mood here is 2 because 10 respondents answered 2. For the question number 3, the mood here is 5 because 7 respondents answered 5. For the number 4, the mood here is 4 because there are 13 um, respondents who answered 4. For the question number 5, the mood is 5 because there are 11 respondents who answered 5. For the question number 6, the mood here is 6 because there are 9 respondents who answered 6. And then lastly, the question number 7, the mood here is 5 because there are 8 respondents who answered 5. And then we rank that based on the highest number or based on the highest yung most repeated. So, obviously, The first or the statement who rank first here is the statement number 1 because it has 15 answers. And then followed by the followed by the statement number 4 because it has 13 answers, followed by the fifth question or statement because it has 11 answers, followed by the statement number 2 which has 10 answers, followed by the question number 6 which has 9 answers, and then followed by the question number 7 which has 8 answers, and then last is the question or statement number 3 which has 7 answers. So overall, here is the result of the ranking. So for the first or the rank as number 1, the statement for that is the I master the subject matter that I must teach. So that is the first rank, and then followed by the number 4 statement, which is I modify my activity to suit my learners in my classroom, and then followed by the statement number 5, I lead in the implementation of a new curriculum, followed by the second statement, I implement what I have planned for my teaching, and then followed by the sixth statement, I write instructional materials based on the recommended school curriculum, followed by the seventh statement, I look for other ways of doing to improve teaching and learning in my classroom, and then lastly is the third statement, I monitor and assess if my students are learning. So that is the result of our survey as well as the ranking. And here are the proofs that we've conducted this activity. So that's all for today. Thank you.